Lions are majestic and powerful big cats, renowned for their regal appearance, social behavior, and apex predator status in their ecosystems. They are the second largest cats in the world, after tigers, and exhibit remarkable adaptations that enable them to thrive in diverse African habitats. Lions are characterized by their muscular bodies, tawny fur, and distinctive mane in males. Their powerful limbs and sharp claws make them formidable hunters, while their keen eyesight and hearing allow them to detect prey from a distance. Lions have a retractable nictitating membrane, commonly known as a third eyelid, that protects their eyes from dust and debris during hunting. Their retractable claws also aid in climbing trees and grasping prey. Lions are opportunistic hunters, preying on a variety of large mammals such as zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. They are stealthy hunters, often working together to ambush their prey. Lions have powerful jaws and sharp teeth that allow them to take down large animals. They are also skilled scavengers, often feeding on carcasses left by other predators. Female lions typically give birth to 2 to 4 cubs after a gestation period of approximately 110 days. Cubs are born blind and helpless, relying on their mothers for milk and protection. Lionesses share the responsibility of raising cubs, nursing them, and teaching them survival skills. Male lions play a role in protecting the pride and its territory. Lions once roamed across Africa, Europe, and Asia, but their distribution has been significantly reduced due to habitat loss and human encroachment. They are now primarily found in sub-Saharan Africa, occupying savannas, woodlands, and grasslands. Lions are also found in the Gir forest of India, the last remaining stronghold of Asiatic lions. Lion populations have declined dramatically in recent decades due to a variety of threats, including habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, poaching, and trophy hunting. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature. Conservation efforts focus on protecting lion habitat, reducing human-wildlife conflict, and promoting sustainable wildlife management practices. Community-based conservation initiatives play a crucial role in engaging local communities in lion protection and fostering coexistence between humans and lions. Lions are an integral part of African ecosystems and play a vital role in maintaining the balance of prey populations. Their conservation is essential for ensuring the health of African ecosystems and preserving the iconic legacy of these magnificent big cats.